Hello guys, hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how you can deploy a website, how you can host your project, and how you can use the GitHub pages to showcase your project or to host any website. So like you can see, this is my GitHub profile. So what you have to do is, I'll just teach you how to do it in just 2 minutes. So what you have to do is, you have to first go to your repository. Like here I'll show you, I made this project currency converter. So you have to open this repository, and in this repository, so as you can see here, this is my project. This is a currency converter project which I showed in the last video. You can go and watch it. So it is a JS file, HTML file and CSS file. So to host it, what you have to do is you have to go in setting, and then in setting you have to go to the pages, and then the first option is source. You have to select the source from which you have to deploy. Here I have selected from the branch. Then you have to select the branch from which you want to host the project to the GitHub pages. I'll select the main branch, and then you have to click on save. And this message will be shown to you, GitHub pages source save. Then what you have to do is you have to go to the code. And here you will see a yellow dot. Just click it. Details. Then you will see that it is building the project for the hosting. Like page build and deployment is currently being deployed. So you have to wait till the process is complete. So after this process completion, you have to go to the code. And then you will see a success, a tick mark with a success message. Then you have to go to the setting, pages, and voila, this is your website. So this is the link which you can share and use to share your website, show your project. Like this currency converter project, it is being hosted as prathamchaudhary.github.io. Currency converter, this is the name of the repository. This is the name of my profile. Let's see it's working or not. 125 euro to INR get exchange rate. So it is showing a correct conversion, so it is working. And to unpublish this website, what you have to do is you have to go to this option and unpublish the site. Then it will be unpublished. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, you can give it a like, share and subscribe. To watch more such video, you can go to the links. There I'll link on my profiles, LinkedIn profile. And to watch such more web development project, you can go to my playlist, which I'll be adding a new project in the upcoming time. So thank you.